Now this year it is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is spinning the chakra, not Mahatma Gandhi, on the 2017 calendar and diaries published by the Khadi Village Industries Commission. It's a move that's taken many employees of the government body by surprise. The Khadi Udyog chairman Vinay Kumar Saxena said this was not unusual and there have been deviations in the past as well. But Mahatma Gandhi's great-grandson has said that the chakra has been reduced to a photo prop.
आज एक महज फोटोग्राफिक प्रॉप बन गया है, उसके साथ तस्वीर निकालने के लिए वो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और सिर्फ पोज करके तस्वीर निकालने से कोई खादी का पूजक नहीं बन सकता। बापू अपने वस्त्र खुद काटते थे और उसी में से जो कपड़ा बनता था उसमें से अपने वस्त्र बनाते थे। वो खादी अलग थी और 10 लाख के सूट पहनने वाले शौकीनों की खादी में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है।
All right, Rahul Srivastav now joins us for more on this. Rahul, the government, we believe, is saying that this is an unnecessary controversy that has been raked up.
Yes, the government has tried to launch a damage control, especially after on the social sites and otherwise there's been a sense of outrage on Mahatma Gandhi's picture missing from something with which he was extremely deeply associated and in fact built a huge political campaign during the freedom struggle against the British, during the freedom struggle. The outrage, the government is trying to say that this is not a deliberate attempt. In fact, it is largely to do with the kind of new age realities. The government sources are saying that this is not the first time the picture of Mahatma Gandhi is missing from the material from the KVIC. It is in 1996, 2002, 2005, 11, 13 and 2016, 6 years when Mahatma Gandhi's picture has not been on calendars and diaries, and also the fact that during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tenure as Prime Minister, there has been a rise as far as the Khadi sales is concerned because of the concerted effort and also because of Prime Minister's association with Khadi from 2 to 7% on an average for 50 odd years to 34% in the last 2 years alone. But the fact remains that there is a sense of worry in the government because definitely primarily the government realizes that Mahatma Gandhi is not part of the political diaspora which he might be trying to challenge, and that is why even if you listen to what Mr. Sambit Patra or the BJP is saying, there is a general sense of defense as far as the government and the KVIC is concerned.
2002, 2005, 2011, 2012, 2013 और 2016 अब, तो स्वाभाविक रूप से जब 6 बार पहले गांधी जी की तस्वीर नहीं थी, स्वाभाविक रूप से उनके दर्शन को ही आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया गया था। उस समय इस प्रकार का कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ा नहीं हुआ था, तो अचानक आज इस प्रकार के विवाद को जन्म देने का प्रयास क्यों हो रहा है?